Okay, so let's add our first product. So we click on the product and then all products, and then we click on the add product button. We click on the upload button or icon, and then we select our image. So make sure the image size is not more than 5 megabytes. So yeah, so I can upload up to 5 images. I can upload up to 5 images. I'll fill in the product name and then choose the product brand. I can also fill in manually and then select branches and categories if added. And then for the status, I can choose inactive drafts if I don't want the product to be shown on either the storefront or the POS, and then I can change it later. So I'll set my price and then the cost. So the price is how much you are going to sell to the customers, and the cost is how much you bought the product. Okay, so I can also set the variant if the product have more than one variant. You can set it, can add more variants. So if it's got more variants, you can add additional one. So don't forget to add stock for the variants. And then here is specification. So general specification for the product. Then you click on save. So a QR code is generated for each product. So you can download the QR code. Then you can also edit the product. Just click on the edit and then you edit it. Okay, so thank you for your time.